Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today's focus is to dive into two versions of our Sheetify CRM. Once you have access to our Sheetify CRM toolkit, you have two version options, and I'm going to explain both of these in this video. The first version is for those that have a single sales pipeline, meaning they only have one active sale, one active deal per contact. On the other hand, the second version we recently released allows for multiple sales or deals per contact or lead. So depending on the sales nature of your business, you can choose out of these two versions. Okay, let's dive into the key differences between these two versions. Here we are inside of Sheetify CRM for a single sales pipeline. You'll notice down here we're on the Contacts and Leads tab. Under the green columns, this is where you can manage all your contacts details. Then if we navigate across under the purple columns, these columns are related to your sales. Now what I mean by a single sales pipeline is if we jump up here, you can see we have this contact here, Liam Eckel. We have all his details and company details up here. And then we have the sales details, sales pipeline stage, value, and more across here. And because contacts and sales are in the same sheet, we can only have one active sales pipeline, one active deal per contact. Okay, let's jump back over here and then head over to the Sheetify CRM version built for multiple sales. Here we are inside this version. Down here, you'll see we've got contacts and a separate sheet called deals. If we jump over to contacts, this is where we can manage all our contacts data. That is in this single sheet. And you'll notice this other information here. This information here is automatically generated based on your active deals, client tasks, and issues. You'll also see your total deals and total revenue in terms of archived deals and revenue. If we navigate down, we have deals. This is where we can manage all our records deals. With this version, we can simultaneously manage multiple deals or sales per account. For example, up here, you can see we have 3 active sales, 3 active deals for this account, the C project. If we navigate across, you can see the 3 different stages of each of those separate sales associated to that account. So again, we've broken up contacts and deals into 2 separate sheets, allowing you to manage multiple sales simultaneously per account. We can also see a sales pipeline of all those deals, all those sales, as well as the sales calendar, which shows the due date, and we can filter these. Now, if we jump back over to contacts, you'll also notice one other thing. When we want to engage in email marketing, for example, if we want to send an email to this contact or account, similar to the single sales pipeline version, we would navigate up to Sheetify, email marketing, and this time if we want to send email campaigns to contacts, this is where we can see all those templates that we can send here. Now, if we navigate over to deals, we also have this email marketing option. And again, we can navigate up to Sheetify, email marketing, and then email campaigns for deals. These are sales-focused email templates that we can send to our accounts. So for example, maybe these 2 accounts I've selected here, these 2 deals are pending, and so what I would do is navigate up here, campaigns for deals, and send a payment reminder. Pretty cool, huh? And again, you can customize campaigns for contacts as well as campaigns for deals under email templates, which you can find over here. Here we have email templates for contacts, email templates for sales notifications, task notifications, and then for deals down here. However, that is it for this Sheetify CRM template comparison. I hope this has helped you identify which template is best for your business. And again, if you like, you can play around with both templates before fully adopting one or the other into your business. I will add other helpful Sheetify CRM tutorials down below in the description to help you get the most out of Sheetify CRM.